Hi, I'm Owen, Marine Park Manager at the Reef Authority. The compliance program uses technologies to safeguard the Great Barrier Reef values. We collaborate with agency partners to test and implement new technologies, enhance our monitoring capabilities, our operational efficiency and our safety to our staff. Surveillance technologies such as beyond visual line of sight drones expand our surveillance coverage to detect illegal fishing in the marine park and offers benefits like remote area monitoring, night operations and integrates into our compliance missions. With long-range capabilities, the technology can assist with monitoring no fishing, no entry zones and reefs that are identified as ecological importance for reef resilience and recovery from recent bleaching events. The drone can operate 10 to 12 hours with a surveillance range up to 75 nautical miles from a local area base station. This means we can stay on station a lot longer and be out there for a lot longer. And because of the infrared features, we can use the drones during night operation and capturing high-definition photos and videos. These drones are just one of many technologies we are using to ensure people follow the rules and help protect the Great Barrier Reef.